Management proposal, showcasing your team, experience, and governance. The human element. Welcome to Lecture 9.2. While the technical proposal details what you will do, the management proposal addresses the vital question of who will do it and how the entire endeavor will be orchestrated for success. A well-articulated management proposal assures the reader that the project is in capable hands and is overseen by a structured governance system. Key components of a persuasive management proposal. A comprehensive management proposal should include organizational structure and team composition. A great example of this is a clear organizational chart that shows the client exactly who is on the bid team, what their role is, and who they report to. This visual makes it easy for the client to understand your team's structure and how they will be managed. For a large government project, you might show a steering committee, a project manager, and then the different teams that will be working on the project. It demonstrates that you have a well-defined structure in place. Key personnel profiles. Instead of a generic resume, you should provide concise profiles that highlight relevant experience. For example, for a bid on a new marketing campaign, you would not just say, John Smith is an experienced marketer. You would say, John Smith, our lead strategist, has 15 years of experience leading digital marketing campaigns for Fortune 500 companies, resulting in a 20% increase in lead generation for our clients. This provides a clear, compelling, and relevant profile that builds confidence in your team. Relevant experience and track record. Your proposal should showcase your organization's past successes, emphasizing projects of a similar scope and complexity. For instance, for a hospital client, you would highlight a previous project you completed for another hospital, demonstrating that you have the industry expertise and a proven track record. This is much more effective than just listing a general project that has no relevance to the client's industry. Project management approach. A detailed project management approach assures the client that the project is in capable hands. You might say, our approach, which is based on the Agile methodology, ensures that we can quickly adapt to any changes in your requirements, which reduces project risk and ensures a successful outcome. This demonstrates that you have a well-thought-out plan and that you are committed to delivering on your promises. Governance structure and oversight. This is about assuring the client that the project will be managed effectively. You could describe a framework for decision-making, such as, we will have a bi-weekly steering committee meeting with your key stakeholders to ensure that the project stays on track and aligns with your objectives. This provides a clear and defined process for decision-making and accountability. Resource allocation and management. In your proposal, you should describe how you will allocate and manage the necessary resources. For example, our staffing plan ensures that we have a dedicated team of 3 developers for the entire project, which guarantees that we have the necessary resources to meet the project's requirements and timelines. This provides a clear and transparent plan for resource management. Quality management plan. A quality management plan demonstrates your commitment to quality. You might say, our quality assurance plan, which includes a series of rigorous testing procedures and user acceptance criteria, ensures that all deliverables are of the highest quality and that they meet all of your requirements. This reassures the client that the final deliverable will be of a high standard. Showcasing your team, people as your greatest asset. Your team is often the most compelling aspect of your management proposal. To showcase your team effectively, you should highlight relevant expertise. For a bid on a new software development project, you would highlight the expertise of your lead developer. You would say, John Smith, our lead developer, has 10 years of experience in developing custom software solutions for clients in the financial industry, and he is certified in the latest programming languages. This focuses on skills that directly align with the project's requirements, which builds credibility. Emphasize collaboration and communication. Your proposal should highlight your team's ability to work together. For example, our team has worked together on over 20 projects, and we have a proven track record of successful collaboration, which ensures a seamless and efficient project execution. This builds confidence in your team's ability to work together effectively. Showcase leadership and vision. For key leadership roles, emphasize their leadership skills and ability to motivate the team. You might say, Jane Doe, our project manager, has a proven track record of leading and motivating cross-functional teams to achieve project success. Her leadership, as demonstrated in past projects, is what will ensure your project is delivered on time and within budget. This highlights their leadership skills and ability to drive results. Address potential skill gaps. If there are any identified skill gaps, you should transparently address them. For example, If a team member doesn't have a specific certification, you might say, "We have identified a potential skill gap in this area, but we have a plan in place to address it through targeted training for our team members." This demonstrates foresight and a commitment to quality, showcasing your experience, building credibility through past success. Your organization's track record provides tangible evidence of your ability to deliver. To effectively showcase your experience, you should focus on relevance. When showcasing your experience, you should prioritize projects that are most similar in terms of scope, complexity, and industry. For example, if you are bidding for a project in the healthcare industry, you would highlight a similar project you completed for another healthcare client. This is much more effective than just listing a general project that has no relevance to the client's industry. Quantify achievements. Whenever possible, use quantifiable metrics to demonstrate the impact of your past work. For example, we implemented a new system that resulted in a 30% reduction in operational costs and a 20% improvement in processing speed for a similar client. This makes your past accomplishments more impactful and measurable. Tell a story. Frame your experience in a way that tells a compelling story of success. You could use a case study that highlights the challenges a past client faced, the solution you implemented, and the positive outcomes you achieved. This makes your past experience more relatable and memorable. Include client testimonials. Positive feedback from previous clients can be a powerful endorsement of your capabilities. You can include a quote from a client that speaks to your team's expertise and commitment to quality. For example, "Our project with ABC Company was a huge success. Their team was professional, knowledgeable, and delivered a solution that exceeded our expectations." This provides social proof and builds trust in your organization. Key takeaways. The management proposal as a cornerstone of success. The management proposal is your opportunity to showcase the human element and the organizational framework that underpin your technical solution. By effectively highlighting your team's expertise, demonstrating relevant experience through compelling examples, and articulating a robust governance structure, you can instill confidence in your audience and differentiate yourself from the competition. A well-crafted management proposal assures the reader that it will be done right, ultimately contributing significantly to your overall success.